on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a good bit since I've had uploaded a video, but I was supposed to be moving to Florida and a lot of things went wrong. And I'll keep you guys updated later in the video about what happened. But in today's video, we're just dedicating this to my exhaust on my 2018 Mustang. So I still have people asking me what kind of exhaust I have. I've never seen another Mustang with the exact setup that I have. So I'm excited to share with you guys what exactly I have. So let's open up the garage. Sorry for not uploading for a while, but we have gotten a lot of new subscribers. We're almost at 500 subscribers, so definitely leave a like and subscribe on this video. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2018 Mustang GT Premium. It's got a lot of stuff done to it, and we're gonna be going over the exhaust today. This thing is dirty. Look at these wheels. Oh, that's bad. I haven't washed this thing in a while. But yeah, this is the 2018 Mustang GT. That's my dad's F-150. I gotta move that. But yeah, this is the car, and let's get into the video. All right, so we got my dad's truck out of the way. So now I'm gonna roll the car down, and I roll it down in neutral first because I got neighbors right there, and this car is extremely loud, so I don't want to be a disturbance. So I roll it down in neutral, and then I start it, and here you guys are gonna hear the cold start. Pretty nice day out here in South Jersey. We don't really get nice days anymore out here, but it's not too cold, it's not raining. Got my Gatorade, and this is the car at idle. This is what it sounds like. It's pretty deep. I'm gonna take you guys for a quick ride. Every time. So now, guys, I'm gonna throw you on the head strap, and then we're gonna go for a little ride so you can hear what it sounds like from inside the car, and then later in the video I'll show you what it sounds like from outside the car. But yeah, we're gonna head to our undisclosed location right now, and I'm gonna throw you on the head strap. We just stop and get gas first. But one thing I'm not gonna miss going to Florida is, one thing I am gonna miss going to Florida, is having people do the gas for you, because I do not have to get out and do it. Maybe I'm just lazy, but I like it like this. Just come to the window, fill it up, super, you know what I mean? It's easy. Before I throw on the camera on the head strap and show you guys the driving, we're gonna go to the location first and then talk about what exhaust we have, and then I'll throw on the head strap so you can hear the inside view. 60 bucks. That's crazy. This thing's a gas and guzzler. This is the inside. Got that carbon fiber. You'll be chilling. All right, y'all. So we at the location now. So let's talk about the exact setup I have on my Mustang GT. It's a 2018. So I made videos on my channel before about the long tube headers I had installed in here. So right now I have the stainless power long tube headers connected with a Ford Performance by Borla. It's the most extreme one they offer. It has an X pipe, and that's connected to the long tube headers. So this combination I've never seen on another Mustang before. Honestly, I don't think anyone usually goes for the Ford Performance by Borla. I've never seen another Mustang with that exhaust. I've seen some with stainless power long tube headers, but not the Ford Performance by Borla extreme exhaust. I did have a ghost cam on this car once, but we ran into some problems. Go definitely check out the other videos on my channel. I talk about the exhaust, and I talk about the ghost cam and everything that happened to this car. So this is what it looks like. It says Ford on it. Very dirty. Well, we got the quad tips. And down here, this is what it looks like from the bottom. Just a muffler, and then the X-pipe's all the way over there. And I'll open the hood and show you guys the headers. Let's go here. Pop this thing open. Alright, I can't do this with one hand, so hold on. Alright, we got it open. Damn, this thing's hot. Don't mind it, it's pretty dirty. I never really clean it in here. But yeah, this is what my engine bay looks like. I got the Roush cold air intake. I replaced this filter myself because that one was really dirty. Let's see, is it starting? It's getting a little dirty. The other one was like not even red, it was all black, so that's definitely a good upgrade. All right, the long tube headers. So they are right there. That pipe, I'm trying to show you. Right there. There's the long tube headers. There we go. SP, stands for stainless power. Goes all the way back there. And I like how it came in a big box wrapped in very nice just like packaging, whatnot. I have a video about me unboxing it, and there's a whole the whole video actually dedicated just to the long tube headers, and that video is like one of the first videos that kind of blew up on my channel for me, so definitely go check that video out. I really should start cleaning the engine bay. And my car, I had it ceramic coated and I buffed out, but as you can see, there's all water spots and stuff all over the car. I'm gonna have to get it redone when I go to Florida, because this isn't gonna be my daily when I go to Florida. I'm gonna get another car. It's gonna be my fun car, and I'm actually getting some mods for this in about 2 weeks. I'm getting something has to do with the wheels and tires. That's all I'm gonna say for now. Just subscribe and stick around to see what I got coming. For anybody wondering, this is a Cervini hood. This is not stock. I don't know, if you don't really know Mustangs, you wouldn't really know, but this is a Cervini hood. It's got the hood scoop. Honestly, makes the car. Hood can either make or break the car. This one makes it. And yeah, this is that. So if you guys are wondering, later you're gonna hear a burble. So that's actually a tune that is on this car. I did get a popcorn tune, but I had to get rid of it because it was so obnoxious. So I reverted back to the original burble tune that was on this car, and it pops like crazy. Kind of sounds like a GT350 a little bit, how it goes like the pop like really fast. I like that so much better than the actual popcorn tune because it's so much slower. It sounds like pop, pop, pop. But then the burble tune is like pop, 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 like really fast. And I love that. A GT350 or a GT500 is definitely going to be the next car. I don't know when it's going to be, but that is definitely going to be the next car. When I get down to Florida, I'm going to be working towards getting one of those. All right, I know you guys are here for the exhaust, so now I'm going to put up some videos of me revving it and flying by, and like flybys and stuff, just so you can hear what it sounds like from outside the car. And I'll put that up right now. If you guys are interested in all the mods I have on this car, like from the wheels and tires to the spoilers to the side skirts, anything, the tint, anything on this car, I do have a video that explains all the mods I have on this car. But if you don't feel like watching it, just leave a comment and I will reply to you. I reply to all comments. So here's the Florida situation. So I was supposed to go down to Florida last week and go to my new house because I'm moving to Florida, but the lady backed out last second, so she decided not to sell. So, and we were gonna drive this thing all the way down there, but we are looking at houses right now. We actually do have one under contract to buy in Florida and Venice. And I still am planning on driving this thing down and making a video about a road trip in this car. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. All right, so now that you guys have watched the videos of the cold starts, the flyby, the revs, all that from the outside, now we're gonna throw on the head strap and then you're gonna see what it sounds like from inside the car. All right, let's turn this thing on. My music accidentally came on and shut off the camera. Sorry, Alright, let's pop this thing into track mode, or Sport Plus mode. And then I put the steering wheel into comfort, just like that, and we are ready to go. Let's put the windows down a little bit for you guys. And I'll try not to talk much just so you can hear the exhaust. We'll go this way. Actually, nah, let's go this way. There's the popping I was talking about. I hope this isn't blocked off. It was blocked off last time. Perfect. And the downshifts in this thing are crazy too. I hope the wind isn't too much. I have made a few POV videos driving in this car. Definitely go check those out too, and let me know if you'd rather have me have the windows up or the windows down, because sometimes when the window's down it's really loud, but the wind is also really loud too, so I can't really tell what's best. But then the window's up, it's not as loud, but you can still hear it. So I'll do a little bit of both in this video. I'll keep the windows down and also keep the windows up. Just let me know in the comments. Can't wait for some warm weather, get some more traction. Poor grandma. A lot of traffic outside. kind of trucks or vehicles or whatever. But I got it. Oh, he's turning to. Whatever. I'm gonna let him get in front of me a good bit. So good. Damn, there goes that cone. Alright, I'm gonna do a tiny pull because that's the road I live on coming up, but it's only like 35. I'm gonna pop this thing into manual mode, drop the window a little bit, and we'll get into business. Oh, I hope there's not a backup for the school. Oh, I hope there's not a cop. Tiny bit. Alright, that's gonna do it for the POV. Hope y'all enjoyed the POV. Let me know what you think. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like on this video and comment whatever you want to ask me. I reply to all comments. And make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. We're almost at 500, but the goal is 1,000 for this year. So yeah, subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.